Hello, amazing subscribers. This isn't a sewing tutorial. First of all, I want to give all thanks to God for these gifts. Today is a milestone day for our channel, and I am beyond thrilled to share this moment with you. We crossed 100,000 subscribers 3 months ago, and to top it all, we have received the incredible silver play button from YouTube. This achievement is not just mine, but yours as well. Thank you for your incredible support and for being a part of this journey. I can't express how grateful I am for each and every one of you who has hit the subscribe button, liked our videos, shared our content, and left encouraging comments. So this is a letter from YouTube asking me if I remembered my first subscriber, 100 subscriber, 1000 subscriber, and 100,000 subscriber. Yes, I do, and they are all amazing. Your support is what keeps me motivated and inspired to create. So our channel isn't just about the numbers, it's about the community we have built, and this is the reward for the efforts we have put in together. So this is the award presented to Nancy TV for passing 100,000 subscribers. Thank you, YouTube. We do appreciate these gifts. So you are not just subscribers, you are friends, fellow enthusiasts, and supporters. I have learned so much from your feedback and your engagement. This channel is as much yours as it's mine, and I'm excited to continue this journey together. Once again, thank you from the bottom of my heart for helping us reach this incredible milestone. I am humbled by your support. And if this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Nancy. Kindly subscribe, share, and like my tutorials. Thank you.